right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this tempered glass protector for the Google Pixel Watch, which I have right here. Let's open this up and take a look at what's in here. That's it for the box. So inside of here we have a couple of these. This will help you get out the bubbles in case that you get bubbles underneath your screen protector. You get 3 sets of wet and dry wipes. These are to, of course, clean the screen on your Pixel Watch before you put on one of these 3 screen protectors. So they give you 3 of them, which I think is great. Very nice. It goes right over the top of the watch here. So the little indentation there that you can kind of see right there is where the dial should be. So it would go on like that. Now you can, of course, use these to clean off your screen. And once you've cleaned off your screen, you can just peel this off and then line up your little indentation here with the dial and then place it on the watch face, just like so. And then, of course, you can use this to smooth out your bubbles. And so there we go. You can't even tell, but I have this tempered glass screen protector on my Pixel Watch now. Seems to be just as good as it was before. I don't see any difference in the speed or swipes or anything like that. All working great. 2 big thumbs up. Thanks again to this company for sending me this Pixel Watch screen protector, and thank you all for watching this unboxing demonstration. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.